Hi, welcome back. My name is Selene, Wellness Babe here on YouTube. And today I'm going to show you what $2,200 gets you in LA. We do live in the San Fernando Valley, so that makes it a little bit cheaper. You get more for your money in the valley than you would, let's say, Santa Monica or even central LA. These are the things that we were looking for. And we wanted 2 bedrooms, hardwood floors, a yard or a patio, and covered parking. I'll show you our new 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in the valley. So let's go ahead and get started. To decorate and put in new curtains, new fan, get settled, unpack. Thank you. And these pocket doors. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful you stopped by. And let me know what you think. I'd love to know. Do you think we're overpaying LA life for you, or do you think we got a good deal? I really want to know. Write it down in the comments. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for future videos.